Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be walking us through on how we can buy beige-related tokens using our trusted app with the DEX Sushi Swap. Alright guys, so in our previous videos, we've shown you how you can fund your trusted app with the Ethereum token on beige chain. Now we're going to be using these Ethereum tokens on beige chain to buy the beige-related tokens. Let's get started. First off, you need to open up your trusted app, input your passcode. Alright, then ensure that your wallet is funded with ETH on beige chain, and here we can see we have about $4 worth of ETH on beige chain. Then you head over to the in-app browser. Like I earlier mentioned, using the DEX Sushi Swap, so you just input the URL sushi.com. So wait for the URL to come up. Okay, so once the URL is up, you have the home page. Tap on enter app. This should bring us with a trade interface. And now we have to connect our wallet, so you just tap on connect, tap on wallet connect. Okay, let's do that again. Alright, and you tap on connect. Alright, so once your wallet is connected, then you also see that we have the Ethereum icon visible. You need to change this to beige, so you tap on beige. Okay, so once you tap on beige, you're able to see the ETH on beige chain, that is the balance available. And now we can proceed with our swap. So we have the token that we want to trade, that is the ETH on beige chain. Now what we want to trade it into, we now have to get the contract address and input it here. So let's head over to DEX Screener to get the contract address of the token that we want to buy. So for this video, tutorial purposes only, we will be buying Toshi, this Toshi on beige chain. Okay, so just search for Toshi on the DEX Screener app, and then I tap on Toshi on beige chain, and I get the contract address. Okay, so I head back to my Trust Wallet app, I tap on this, and then I paste the contract address here. Okay, and then I tap on Toshi. Okay, so now we input the value of ETH that we want to trade with. So let's say I want to trade with 0.005. Okay, and then we tap on swap. Then we swap to ETH for Toshi. Okay, so it says that my asset is based on, that is ETH on beige, that the wallet that I'm about to transact with is my SMC22's wallet, and we're tackling the contract address on SushiSwap for the Toshi token. The D app is SushiSwap, network fee is this, max total is this. We approve, then we input a passcode, and then we wait for this transaction to go through. So it's swapping my amount of ETH, that is 0.0005 ETH for 2,961 Toshi, and the transaction is a success. Alright guys, so this is a process on how you can buy beige-related tokens using Sushi Swap with your Trust Wallet. I hope this video has been helpful, but let's head back to our Trust Wallet to see if our Toshi is visible in our wallet. Okay, so just close this, head back to our home page. Alright, so Toshi is not visible. All we need to do now is to add Toshi to a Trust Wallet by tapping on the two circle icons at the top right. Tap on plus icon, and then change the network from Ethereum to ETH on beige. Paste the Toshi address and import the Toshi tokens, and then we have our tokens visible in our Trust Wallet app. So I believe that the token should be visible now. Here you have the Toshi that's visible on our Trust Wallet app. So I hope this video has been helpful guys. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that our team member will attend to your questions. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.